Want to unlock the hidden back tap shortcut on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to launch open the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down to Accessibility and tap on that. Here, you want to find the option of Touch, select that. Now scroll down to Back tap, select that. Now here you will have two options, double tap and triple tap. Choose either. And now you will see a long list of actions you can assign from system controls to accessibility features and even shortcuts you have created. Now select an action. For example, I'm going to select Control Center. Once you make your selection, simply exit Settings. Now give it a try by tapping on the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times depending on which option you chose. Since I selected Control Center, as you can see, Control Center has been turned on. If you ever want to change or disable back tap, just return back to your settings. Head over to Accessibility, then Touch, go to Back tap and then simply select double tap or triple tap, then set that to none. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.